Something that a smart home needs to have is effortless cleaning, because guess what? I hate cleaning my home. I've been in the hunt for the perfect smart robot vacuum. So is the new Eufy S1 Pro it? Let's find out. There's a lot of breakthrough technology inside of the S1 Pro. Fun fact, the S1 Pro was actually crafted by an independent team, bringing together several people from companies like DJI, for example. And their whole mindset with this is, how can we revolutionize the cleaning industry? That was their goal. Have they reached that goal? Well, let's see what this is all about. The Eufy S1 Pro is a smart robot vacuum that also mops. Now, the problem with robot vacuums actually mopping is, one, that once it actually collects dirt and is cleaning your home, it's actually bringing the dirt with it every single time. So sure, it's cleaning your home, but it's also expanding the dirt in a way. And then once the robot vacuum thinks that that amount of dirt is enough, it goes back to the station, cleans it, and then goes back, which makes it time consuming and a wasteful process. Because since robot vacuums have batteries, it also consumes the battery and going back and coming in again. So what Eufy has developed is a rolling mop. So the way that it works is with a water circulation system that uses air pressure for smart water absorption and drainage. This means that while the robot is mopping your home, it's actually cleaning by itself with air pressure and water. The roller mop mimics the scrubbing of human hands. It does the right pressure. The wet mess is squeezed from the mop and puts it all inside of the dirty water tank. And the dirty water tank is actually inside of here. It doesn't have to go back to the station and then go back again. Something that really surprised me is the charging station. It does a lot of things to help that effortless cleaning. It self-empties the dustbin, automatically cleans the roller mop, it dries the roller mop with heated air, it refills the clean water, it collects dirty water, and something super cool is that it actually generates a zone sterilized water and automatically mixes it with the detergent. It offers this fully automated cleaning experience, so when you actually see it in person, it's so cool to look at because it's actually sterilizing all that water. Eufy actually says that that eliminates 99.9% of germs from the roller mop. That also helps with eliminating the bad smell. I've had smart robot vacuums that when the dirty water and the clean water mixes, it leaves this smell at your home that is very unpleasant, and I've had none of that experience with this. Something that I've learned by having a smart home is that a smart home can be very smart. It can be activated by Siri, by Alexa, within apps. But when you don't want it to be smart, when you just want to press a button, or when family members come at your home, whenever they want to turn on a light, they just want to press a button and the light should just go on. And the same concept is here as well, from the actual robot to the charging station. My favorite part is the charging station. It's got this display that you can return the robot home, you can start vacuuming. Just by a single tap, you can interact with the robot without needing the app. And there's an app, and we're going to talk about it in just a second, but I love the fact that it's also ergonomically designed, so you don't have to bend over. It's actually designed at a certain level that you, by just tapping, you don't have to bend down, you just tap and it starts doing all of that. Shania is personally a big fan because she doesn't have to interact with an app. If she wants to clean the kitchen, if she wants to clean her room, she just taps the station and the robot does its own thing. And then the actual robot has two buttons, one to go home or two to actually start cleaning. So super simple. Go home or start cleaning. All right, so here's a quick hands-on with the base station itself and the robot itself. So the base station, what's coolest thing about it, you've got a display that's showing you currently the percentage of the battery. You can actually start cleaning, return to home, or change the different cleaning modes. In terms of the water tank, it's super cool that you can see the level of it. You don't have to open it or whatever. Then once you do want to remove it, you simply and it's that simple. Now, we haven't talked about the design yet, and I think it deserves it. From the actual charging station that has these lights, it makes it have this very futuristic look with the display. But reality is, what has to look good is the actual robot. It features a sleek square body design. It easily navigates through various low profile furniture spaces, under tables, and all of that. Let's do a quick hands-on with the actual design. So you've got two buttons to continue vacuuming, or you can actually make it return to home. You've got this LED light right here that actually, whenever you make it play, it will actually start twisting, and if it's out of battery, it will actually show red.
So you can see the 3D matrix eye, and as you can see, those are like the actual sensors. I'm actually not seeing them in real life, but on camera, you can actually see it right there. You can actually open this right here if you want to grab the dustbin.
Dustbin installed.
As you can see, it's super smart. Every single time I touch something, it's telling me dustbin removed, dustbin installed. You can control if you want it to talk to you or not within the app. You can restart, you can turn it off directly from here. You've got the QR code of the app. And over here is the actual water, dirty water and the clean water. Always clean mop, which is pretty funny. And then if we turn it around, you've got the anti-tangle. As you can see, we've got the hairs right here, which I can just grab. There was a hair right there. The mop, which is super long, which actually makes it collect and actually clean way much better. The wheels that actually go up and down. The little hair thingies. What do you think? That's the hands-on.
Now, how does it vacuum? Because that's what I'm most interested, right? You want a smart robot vacuum to actually have strong suction power. It features 8,000 PA, which is the suction power. So from hardwood to tiles to laminated to carpets, it will suck everything up. It also features this anti-tangle brush, so it will easily collect hairs and tangles. Perfect if you've got dogs like us. When it detects a carpet, it will also auto lift for 12 millimeters to prevent the carpet to get wet as well. Now, remember when I was telling you about breakthrough technology? Look at this. 3D matrix eye. Now what this does is pretty crazy because it's actually emitting 300,000 dots at a time to measure obstacles at millimeter precision. Now what it's basically doing is emitting and generating this 3D model of objects. So it automatically knows to not bump into that object, to not tangle against that shoe, to not bump into that ball, to not bump into your dog. The true course mapping is also very impressive. So the first time you get it, it will actually map your entire home. So the S1 Pro will actually understand your home and adjust its cleaning plans for optimal efficiency. And if you relocate furniture, a table, a couch, it will adapt to those changes. So the more you actually use the vacuum, the more it will understand your home and the more efficient it will be cleaning every single corner, every single table under the table. It will do all of that. For those app lovers like me, the actual app is very well designed. You can do all of it here, set up no zones. So if you have a specific room that you don't want it to go, you can tell it. You can change the mode if you just want it to vacuum. If you just want it to mop, you can change the strength of the mopping. You can change the strength of the vacuuming. You can tell it to go home. You can tell it, hey, only clean the kitchen. You can set up schedules. For us, every 8 a.m. it's already vacuuming our home. So the question, has this revolutionized the cleaning industry? I want you to tell me down below in the comments. If you're interested in it, links are down below in the description, obviously. What I believe is that it truly has effortless cleaning. Has it revolutionized the cleaning industry? I want you to tell me down below in the comments. It does basically everything for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch life-changing HomeKit accessories, you can tap this video right here to learn more about smart home products like this one. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Links in the description. Bye-bye.